si Jude Bellingham. Hi, I'm Annie Fuentes. I'm a left-winger for the WFP, and I'm in PFA Fine Arts Visual Communication. Daniel Riza, or Deacon. I play midfielder, specifically defensive. And I'm currently studying Bachelor Science. Hello, I'm Colleen Diaz. I play Takumi and Football. Hi, I'm Chantal Banamen. I play forward BFA Visual. We are from the UP. We are from the UP Women's Football Team.
So, number one, what's the best part about being a student athlete at the university?
You're given the freedom to not only focus on your sport, but also sa academics din. And feel ko, in a way, sa social part, yeah, parang sakto lang din, hindi masyadong nakaka-overwhelm. You have the freedom to be with yourself din. So, yun for me is one of the best things of being a student athlete here in UP.
I think the best part about being a student athlete in UP is probably the community that surrounds it. I've made so many friends here. I'm not even from CHK. I'm from like fine arts, but then I get to be with a lot of the varsity members, and we get to bond with each other also. And obviously, aside from the community, there's also the academic side. So I feel like the education here is really top quality, and I'm really grateful to have this sort of opportunity and to be able to still play despite all of the academics.
Like what you guys said, about top-notch in education. So how are you able to balance education and athletics?
Well, for me po, it's really about priorities and yung time management. And mas dapat alam po namin yung kung ano yung dapat mas prioridad, and ayun po, proper time management talaga.
Yun lang din po, time management and knowing kung kailan mo i-push yung sarili mo and kailan ka magpapahinga, ganon. So, really knowing then when to push and when to rest, yun lang.
How does the UP community support you in your athletic and academic?
Yung sa amin po, as a student athlete, may nagpo-provide po sila ng dorms and yung food subsidy po. And sa ACADS din po, meron rin pong financial aid, ganon, or sa pag-need mo ng tutoring, I think may ganon po.
So yung next set of questions naman is about season 86, the past season. So what was the highlight of that season?
Game-wise, I think it's how we played in terms of attacking kasi we scored a lot of goals na compared to the last season. So, parang mas binibigyan namin ng emphasize yung mga hindi namin nagawa last season, which is good. Although meron pa ring mga shortcomings, but I think kaya naman namin yung i-improve pa, especially with the upcoming season ngayon.
Yung isa rin pong highlight is mas naging strong po yung band ng team, and mas nakikita po siya sa field.
What's the most challenging part of that season?
For me, I'd say siguro the injury management because coming from the previous UAP season, we didn't really have a lot of time to rest. We went straight into the women's league right after. I think it was a month or two after. And then after that, we also had Ang Liga in the same year. I think it was around bare months. And then it extended also until the start of last year, right before the start of UAP. And then we also had Dumaguete, the Pia Cup. So it was really hard to manage the load, especially since a lot of our senior players, they left the team. So we were dealing with a pretty small roster as compared to season 85. So, ayun, I think it was really that. It was a lot of physical fatigue and also mental fatigue.
Because of these hardships, how did the team get over those?
I think in terms of like yung sa injuries, we all also make sure na palaging merong nag-guide dun sa mga injured na players. Kasi alam namin na mentally they're not doing well. So, we check on them always to keep their spirits up. And then also, tinutulungan din namin yung isa't isa to be smart sa game para din makaiwas sa injuries. So, yun lang naman in terms of like managing that kind of problem.
So we're moving on to season 87. Paano kayo nag-prepare for the next season? Since you guys
Since, sobrang daming natin sa akin. And then, sobrang dami din pumasok na maybe half the team na is current. And then, considering now we only have 22 players for the line, I think malaki adjustment in terms of big dynamics. Kasi, mostly ng mga from the province, and I know na malaking investment talaga po ito. So, we're thinking ways din paano namin may introduce environment. Hindi masyadong harsh. So, we're still trying to find our chemistry. But I think all in all, makukuha naman namin kasi sa mga precious namin ngayon, mababait din naman sila, and then they blend in well so far, and so far nothing like wala namang major changes in terms of like culture namin. Tinatry namin sila slowly but sure, and so I think it's doing well.
So since a lot of the team seniors graduated and they left na, which player do you think we should keep an eye on? Since, like you guys said, marami ng bago. So,
Stick na dito.
ito po katabi ko pa. Hindi ko tayo. Sabi yung pressure po natin. Siyempre. So, more on attacking side po kami. So, feel ko mas magiging clinical dyan sa field.
Ano ba nagpapunta?
Kasi yung pinapakita sa trainings, ganun. So, more on attacking side.
Sa akin is so yung out na players is yung mga freshers din, yung mga kasama ko, at yung seniors din na. Kasi parang mas nag-report din kami ngayon, and mas feeling ko madaming mga signals na yung they will also see they should do that. So, after this.
Excited to go up again. Sila po same bait kami sa team. So, mas excited talaga kami sa defending champion last season at team. So, yun po. We're preparing for every team naman po, pero season. Are you guys looking forward to the most next season?
Ako po makalagot ko talaga yung bagong freshies. And makita po kung paano po kami nag-coordinate sa field, sa loob ng field and outside. We're excited for that. Siguro I'm excited to see some of our sophomores step up also, because they're the seniors na sophomores already. So yeah, really like batch 23 and 22. I'm excited to see them step up, especially since a lot of them were part of the previous season. So syempre nung una, they were kind of taking part, they were nervous, like a lot of first league jitters and things like that. But then now that we're moving into a new season with them, I'm excited to see them step up and to see how they play with their newfound confidence. And I know them with a lot of young freshies, they have so much potential there. I'm really excited to get to play with them and also to get to bond with them outside of the field, because they have really interesting personalities. And I feel like this season's gonna be really fun with them. And ayun din, syempre sa mga seniors na aalis, I know that they're gonna give it their all this season, syempre, because I know how much they're gonna miss the team, and I know how much they all want to at least graduate with, you know, with the trophy this time. So, ayun. Looking forward to this season is to play with my fellow teammates and get here and also look forward that feel because that we're still freshers. It's something new to us. The UAAP is level for us. Um, as a freshie, getting to experience that is really, really big for us. Also to play with our teammates and see where my other teammates did, other freshies this year for the seniors na and I'm excited to spend year one with them inside and outside.
Okay, so for the last question, what message do you guys have for the UT community, your fans, supporters ng women's football team?
For the community, maraming salamat sa support sa amin, especially people behind us na palaging naka-cover dyan, ready to support anytime, kahit financial bayad or through watching our games. So, very, very thankful kami, especially na we have a lot of technical players now and we inspire them kasi we see how much the community cares for not just the league, but every team here that's playing for the World Cup. So, very thankful like sa lahat ng sport ko na and I'm really thankful to everyone that's been supporting us every step of the way. And it's such a big thing growing up in the football community, having seen the amount of support for women's football, especially increase throughout the years. So it's really inspiring and getting to see younger players inspired by us also is it's really such a it's a yeah, it's such a heartwarming thing to get to experience. So thank you for all your support and for watching all of the games. Whether you're here in the stands or watching from the live stream. Thank you from the bottom of your hearts. Thank you po sa support sa always looking for support us this season and mag-build our best and then work this season. Thank you po. Ha? Okay. Thank you po. Again, patuloy po na nag-support sa amin last season. And we're hoping for all of you to support our team and everything po say we're gonna make it job.
You guys, who's your favorite football team?
Messi!
Favorite football team besides your own?
Manchester City.
UFMC, tsaka Maldita.
Next question is, what's your favorite pre-game meal?
Fish para mag... Saging.
Wow. Home games or away games?
Games.
Offense or defense?
Offense.
Morning practice or evening practice?
Early.
Morning. So, if you could have dinner with any athlete, who would it be and why?
Messi, parang hindi kasi magkakaintindihan.
Ay, ako lang siya, okay lang.
Si Jude.
Ay,
oh my God. Kasi, like, for makausap. Kasi gusto ko mag-ask
Ako gusto maglalaro ako ng pag-sleeper.
Okay, if you could play any other position, which one would you choose?
It's winner. Goalkeeper.
Stronger.